Cheese. We'll go somewhere where there's cheese. Oh, good job I greased the bearings. Did you check the brakes now? 60 seconds to blast off. No crackers, Gromit. We forgot the crackers. Hold on, Gromit. Hold on. Time for breakfast this morning, Gromit. Porridge today, lad. Tuesday. Is it supposed to do that? Don't worry, man. Everything's on the okay. Where'd you get that from? That's my machine. I've got patent pending. It's all downhill from here. Gromit, I've got a bump in my hands. Oh no, Gromit. Whatever's this? Help! Get me down! Help! Get me down, McKinston! Oh, that's quite enough. You'll be hearing from her solicitor about this. Your EV6000 map, capable of over 125 RPM. That's rabbit fun.
Heard you have a spotted rabbit on them. Triple bed all over the
Hang in there, Gromit. Everything's under control. Good boy, Gromit, lad. Well done. Well, that went as well as could be expected. Didn't it? Well done, Captain. Oh, that was riveting.
Lovely cheese, Gromit.